Hey everyone, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this episode, I'm working on a 4x5 winter-themed mini album, and on this page, I will show you how I can make photos stand out on busy patterns. I'm using the digital version of the scrapbook collection, The Magic of Winter by Echo Park, and if you haven't watched the video where I put this album together, I encourage you to check the link in the description box below. So as you can see, this is a work in progress. I'm working on my next double page spread there. So I'm spreading out this is an accordion fold album. I can use it like a book when it's finished, but to work on it, I like to spread the pages out so they sit flat on my desk. So you see here, I am working with a pretty busy pattern paper there on the left side, and a pattern paper that is not so crazy busy. So that is one trick that I use contrasting papers, one that is very busy and then one that has less of a pattern, so that it just doesn't overwhelm the eyes. You see on the very left, that page that will flip backward, so that's fine. It's actually, there's 2 pages between that already, so these are not directly connected, but here I have, again, this very busy pattern paper, which I love, but because I love all things floral and plaid. Now, as you can see here, in order to make it work with a photo, which also usually my photos are pretty busy, especially because they're small in scale, I used a photo mat. So I just cut a piece of white cardstock in the size that makes matches 2 photos. And on the other page, you can see that I'm working on a frame. For that, I made sure that when I print my photos, they have the size for this frame to fit. And so that makes it very easy. The way that I print out my photos to match the size that I need is I could either do this in Silhouette Studio. However, I find that a Silhouette Studio doesn't allow for much of an edge around, requires too much of an edge. Whereas where I do create is Pages or a Word document, basically, because there I can print borderless, and so I can print a whole bunch of photos that way with exactly the size that I want to. So now all I need to do is just embellish everything, but you see with a frame and with a photo mat, everything stands out. The photos do stand out from the busy patterns there. And so that is one way that you can work with pretty busy pattern papers and still make your photos stand out. You see, I'm just adding a few more of the embellishment pieces. Some of them I die cut and stamped. Others came with a collection, and I just needed to print them out. So here you see some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.